Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to show you the Signature Stories basic album. So this is the album without zero designs, no travel, no wedding, no baby, nothing. This is just an album that you decorate with paper. So I created this album so that we can use it for signature stories where I teamed up with multiple designers, super talented designers, to create these albums, to make them theme based. All right, so this one is themeless. This is my original design. This is what I sent them to get, down and dirty and designing. All right. If you watch my previous video, that is the travel version of this particular album. So let's talk about the cover. Paper. The paper used in this album is the Mariposa collection by Die Cuts with a View. All right. Janice Freeman, my scrapbooker for hire, matted this album for me. So she used the Mariposa and a Brenda Walton collection that's super old that I'm not going to name because I don't even know the name, but it's no longer available. You may have it in your stash, and I'll call it out. I think I know which ones they are, and let you know that that's the Brenda Walton collection. So this is my Signature Stories basic album. So when you purchase a Signature Stories album, if you get the bundle, you get the basic album and whatever theme you pick. All right, so look at the matting here. How sensational this is. Absolutely gorgeous. So I don't know what page style this is. Well, I think Janice told me what page styles these are. So let me get them right. Hold on. Okay, so this is page style 3. All right, so if I point out page style 3 to you in the travel, you won't recognize it. Okay, look at this, how gorgeous. So if you guys want to make the basic album just like this one, and you have the Mariposa collection, this is page style 3 once again, and there's a pocket here. All right, then you open it up and you get this. Oh, whoopsie, of course I forgot something. You get this over here. Okay, and there's a pocket right here with photo mats. Okay, and then my deconstructed envelope. So look at how absolutely gorgeous that is. Okay, I think this is Brenda Walton. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. If it's not in your Mariposa paper collection, paper pad, then it's the Brenda Walton collection. All right, so this pocket over here, look at that, how gorgeous. And over here, so a fantastic signature cut here, guys, with the paper, so you can make your photo mats a part of the paper. And then you get this little ensemble here. This paper is just absolutely stunning. Look at the cut out, the signature cut into the paper collection, to the paper design, so you can tuck your photo mats in there. So there's some wonderful inspiration here for you all. And then here, very little pocket cards she used for this. Let me see. Used inserted page 2. Chipboards, paper lines, Mariposa. Oh, and K&Co, Brenda Walton subscribed. That's what it is, the Brenda Walton subscribed collection. And these are Project Life cards, okay? Be Fearless. The Project Life Be Fearless cards. That's what she used here. All right, so this is page style 1 right here. Look at how gorgeous. The matting on here is just unbelievable. And over here, it's a double pocket assembly here. And this is what you get on this side. And over here, you got a really tall pocket. And there's, of course, the side pocket. So with Signature Stories, the paper no longer dictates the theme. The themes are already done for you. If you pick the travel theme, a wedding, baby, I have all sorts of themes up there right now at this point. But with the basic album, you have to initiate the theme. You have to find a paper collection that allows you to tell your story in terms of what your pictures are, whatever you're trying to put in your scrapbook, right? So 9 times out of 10, you're always looking for a theme-based paper so that it can fit what the story you're trying to tell. But with signature stories, you don't have to do that. You can pick any paper you want because it's already done for you. And no embellishing. Look at this. Look at this signature cut in here. How genius. Love that. So it's a double whammy. You got a signature cut here and a signature cut down here. So how fun is those little tuck areas? So if you have this paper and you need inspiration, guys, look at this. It's just divine. Look, into the butterflies, into the butterfly. All right, isn't that great? And then over here, look at that, how cute. And this is page 5. Dynamite. So again, the Signature Stories basic album, I will link you down below to all your purchase options. In another video, I'll do a side-by-side basic album and then another Signature Stories album that already has a design element in it so you can see what that's all about. Do you see this absolutely amazingness? And ta-da! Ugh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Just absolutely gorgeous. Shaker shaker photo mats. These are so much fun to make. It opens up. Look at that. Another shaker photo mat over here. Super, super fun to make. I love these. And over here. And my goodness, just absolutely stunning. What can I say? What else can I say other than gorgeous, stunning, fabulous, amazing, right? Because it truly is. Love this paper. Look at how beautiful. The colors are so rich. They just really pop. And over here, look, look, look. I know this is one of the Brenda Walton ones. Isn't that fantastic? Cutting into the paper. That's what I call my signature cut. And this matchbook here. What am I doing with this? Oh, here. It's a matchbook style. That's how you end page 5. Stunning. And then last but not least, the inside cover pocket. I lost an arrow. I'm sure it goes to one of these photo mats here. Not sure where, but I will figure it out. Let's put it back in there so I won't lose it. So this is the Signature Stories basic album. Look at the shaker on the cover. Okay, just 3 pages alone, and you can get lots and lots and lots of photos in there. I mean, there's so much room more for photos. This is with the completed cover. You can make with just the basic cover or with the closure. So there it is. I hope you love it. Check the description box below for your links. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.